Today I have a new computer, the LG UltraPC, and in this series I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, tech specifications, demos, tests, how to open and how to upgrade and repair, to get to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This 14-inch LG UltraPC comes with an LG powered charger, and that's what we are going to look specially. Let's see it. For now we don't need the computer, because we are going to see the charger in detail. Let's take a closer look. Here it is, this is the charger. So it has two parts, the AC transformer and a cable to connect to the power on the wall. Starting with the transformer, it's a small brick, but it's bigger than I was expecting for a 14-inch UltraPC computer. Uses the connector standard IC-C5 with 3 pins to plug into this cable to plug into the wall with this connection standard. But let's see the specifications of this transformer. This one is an LG switching adapter, model ADS-65ai-19-3. It has an input of 100 to 240 volts, a maximum of 1.5 amps, an output of 19 volts DC, 3.42 amps, and 64.98 watts, so 65 watts. A 65 watt charger is normal these days. This is the plug that connects to the computer with two connectors, barrel jack type, traditional for portable computers, but computers are switching to USB-C connections, even for power. But this computer still comes with this one. Let's measure the size of the transformer to see the exact size. Remember that this is a 65 watt charger. Let's start by measuring this side. So it has a length of 11.5 centimeters, so is not that small. A width of 5.5 centimeters and a thickness of exactly 3 centimeters. So you can see it's not too small, but it's not the biggest either. It is a 65 watt transformer. Let's also look at the cable length, because sometimes it's an important aspect for some people. If the computer is not near a wall power connection, the length of the cable is important, so you can power your computer, especially in a public area. And that's what we are going to measure, to find exactly the size of this model which comes with this computer, the LG UltraPC. We have to stretch the cable, which will not fit all the way into the camera, but I have a measuring tape here to measure. So we start at the beginning of the wire and we start to stretch the cable without letting it go or the tape, and continue to stretch. Let's stretch the tape measure a little bit more, and we are almost at the end of the wire, and we can measure, which is about 1.45 meters, between 1.4 and 1.5 meters. Traditional, these wires are between 1 to 1.8 meters. This one is right at the middle, at 1.4 meters, completely normal, and enough for me. But it could be an important factor in the choice. But if the charger wire doesn't reach where you need it, you also have this cable, this power cable. We will also measure from this end. This is the end that will connect to the wall to get AC power, and then it connects to the transformer. But let's measure the cable. In the same way, we stretch it a little bit more, just about. This cable is 90 centimeters. Therefore, 1.4 meters plus 90 centimeters gives a total length of 2.3 meters. But you can easily buy this cable with longer lengths, from 2 meters or even 5 meters, if it is important or if you need to have a longer length to connect to a power source. And these cables are cheap. This cable is tied with Velcro tape, which is useful for holding the cable when tying it up. But curiously, the transformer wire doesn't have a Velcro strip, because normally that is this cable that it usually brings it. I don't understand why LG didn't do that for their transformer, because it's common for manufacturers put the Velcro tape in this cable to connect the power, so you can easily tighten it up. What they used was this wire, so weak, so cheap, that goes directly to the trash, because it doesn't hold anything after reusing it. So, we got to know the specifications and size of this laptop transformer. This power charger specifically is the model LG ADS-65ai-19-3, 65 watts, for a LG UltraPC notebook. This was another video about the computer LG UltraPC, but there will be more videos about this notebook PC. I will cover everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, speed and battery tests, or how to upgrade and repair, for you to decide if you should buy this computer. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question about this computer, write in the comments.